friends, this is Running Kimono, and this is your Walgreens preview for the 2nd to the 8th. Give my voice, it is really early when I'm recording this. Well, with the new year, we have a lot of supplements, get healthy stuff in this flyer. So the first thing we're going to talk about, if you checked your account on Wednesday morning, these boosters showed up. I got 2 of them, one in hubby's and one in mine. As you can see, they're valid specifically for that week from the 2nd to the 8th. Obviously, this one's a little better. So if you might have these boosters, load them right away. A couple rules with these boosters, they are of a one-time use. So even if they're still in your account, one-time use. If you might have a paper booster that came out of the Catalina machine, which is similar increment of spend 20, get back 5, yes, you can stack one digital and one paper. Yes, you can use manufacturer coupons and manufacturer register rewards with this offer, but do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess up your balance. Use your debit card, credit card, cash bills to pay down the balance. Now, somebody who works in programming over at Walgreens in the digital coupons division or whatever it's called has a pretty excellent sense of humor. This guy showed up again. Load it or don't load it. You know, that was causing a bunch of problems last week, but it's here again. Okay, so looking at the cover of the flyer on the 4th, we have Seniors Day, where on regular priced merchandise, you get 20% off. That is usually in store. Sometimes they have a digital online code with that. Looking at the soda, 3 for $11.99. That is a jump in price. The BOGO 50% off is automatic savings for the Scott's toilet paper, paper towel, along with the Kleenex. I think it's a time right now to stock up, guys. So I would grab 2 of the products if you want to mix and match. That's $7.50. You know those $4 register rewards we've been getting for the last week? Throw one of those in and pay $3.50. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. It is time to stock up on paper. Okay, so the Lysol wipes, you're like, why are you talking about this still? Because it's still going on, this deal. So this is a monthly promotion of buy one of these packs of 80, get one free. And this is Lysol, guys. This isn't some no-name brand that nobody's heard of. And as you can see, if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, good through Jan 29, so that's a monthly promotion. Now, this digital coupon is valid until the 8th, so if you did not have time in the last week to get this deal, you can still do it right until Saturday. Grabbing 2 bags of the wipes, that's $5.49. If you might have that buy one, get one free digital, it is no longer available to load, but if you loaded it about 3 weeks ago, you can use it. Pay down 50 cents for 2 or 25 cents per bag, which is a fire price point. And just to let you guys know too, you might not see the digital coupon anymore, so you might have to hop onto a desktop computer to retrieve that coupon to say, well, did I spend it? Did I not spend it? But I think most of you might have an idea if you spent it or not. Okay, so now a deal for the parents, 2 for $20 for the Pampers. And yes, this is another product that has jumped considerably in price, I have noticed. We have a 3 off of 2 digital and then earn a $4 when you buy 2. Let's throw in this bad boy if you might have it for this little deal. Okay, so grabbing 2 bags for $20, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital. Remember, we have our booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend $20. You're going to pay $17, charge it to your debit card. You're getting back a $4 register reward and then $5 in Walgreens cash, so that's $9 back. So it's basically $8 for the 2 or $4 per bag. As we are using a booster for this scenario, do not use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, on the same promotion of get back a $5 store $4 reward. If you're going to do Pampers in this, you got to do separate transactions because only one prints out per transaction, but the Dial body wash. Let's grab 2 of these bad boys for $8 on the nose, subtracting that $1.50 digital that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying $6.50 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $2.50 for the 2, $1.25 per body wash, and it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal on its own. Let's also jump into IBOTTA to check, like, hey, is there a rebate for this? Because sometimes they show up for this body wash. Okay, let's look at a deal with the razors. They're $10 for the men and the ladies. Earn back a $4 register reward when you purchase 2. Here are some of the digitals that we need to load, which is a 3 off for the men's and a 3 off for the ladies. We're also going to toss in this booster into the mix. Grabbing 1 men and 1 ladies razor, the fancier ones at $10 a pop, that's $20. We're also going to have our booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend $20. Subtracting the 2 $3 digitals, you're paying $16 with your debit card, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, plus the $4 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per razor. As we're using a booster for this deal, let's remember not to use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, the next little deal that we have is with the Revlon. When you purchase 10, you're getting back a $3 register reward, so how nice is that? We're going to be looking at the cream eyeshadows, and we also have this 6 off of 2. You were able to load these last week. So grabbing 2 of the cream shadows at $6 and some change, so that's $13.98. Subtracting that 6 off of 2, you're paying $7.98 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2. If you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash, if you're doing this makeup deal on its own, absolutely go for it, guys. Okay, Angel Soft, the price of this is down to $3.99. Last couple of weeks, it's been $4.99. Buy 3, get a $3 register reward, and we have a 50-cent coupon. So let's do this deal. Grabbing 3 of these Angel Softs, that's $11.97. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you're paying $11.47. Getting back a $3 register reward, shaking it out to $8.47 for the 3 or $2.82 per bag. If you wish to use Walgreens cash, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. My absolute favorite, the Pantene. 3 for $15. We have a 3 off of 3 digital. Earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. And if they have the hairstylers, go for them. Grabbing 3 products by Pantene for $15, subtracting that 3 off of 3 digital, you're paying $12, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $7 for the 3 or $2.33 each. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you wish. And hairsprays, dry shampoo, the fancier stuff, rescue shots, if that's part of it, double, triple check, scan everything, I would go for those. The Gain is 4 for $16. That's jumped in price. And there's a 2 off of 2 digital that will be showing up on Sunday morning. Now, I just think this is a smart deal, guys, and just hear me out. Grab 4 of them for $16, and if you want to mix and match, you can do that. We have that 2 off of 2 digital. I would throw in one of those $4 register rewards that are printing for all those little deals. Use also $10 of Walgreens cash and pay the tax. I think this is a very smart deal. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. To use $10 to get 4 gains, I think that is a no-brainer. And I think it's just a really smart deal. Let's take a quick peek at some honorable mentions. We have this back, which is 89 cents for these cones, and there's going to be $1.78 back when you buy 6. I don't know, guys. That coupon's always a bit goofy, and they're not giving us back a little bit of Walgreens cash or something, but if you desperately need cones, this might be a deal for you. If some magical coupons show up for Purex or Snuggle, this might be a deal to spend $20, get back $5 of Walgreens cash, but the app right now, there's really not a lot, so I'm going to just put pause on this one. I'm not really too happy to pay $1 per tube of toothpaste, but if some very good digital show up for the Colgate, possibly. Okay, and with the new year, new me, $1.88 for these different bars. And, considering some of these scary prices we've seen on food, I'm going to show you a slide that'll make you shocked. This is a pretty good stock up price. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. 2 for $10 for that Oscar Mayer bacon. That's always 2 for $8. Things have jumped up. Bottom right-hand corner, the $1.99 for the Quaker cereal. Good deal. All of this, pass on it unless you have some burning Walgreens cash or register rewards. Maybe the Nabisco Oreo cookies, that is a good deal at $2.99. Actually, it is a good deal. And then we have the very super uber cute Squishimals for $24.99. They're the 16 inchers. And then cozy slippers and socks. And with Mr. Microban, $5.99. I know that in the January P&G, there's a buy one, get one free on that specific product. So it would be $3 per, but maybe we'll see a digital on Sunday morning. We'll have to wait and see. And then the final thing I want to talk about, that Godiva deal is dead. It ended on December the 26th. No more register rewards printing for that guy. So do not buy it. But you can buy the 2 for $1, those little cute Valentine's Day heart. That's acceptable. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.